Well, good evening, folks. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Pleasant weather ahead for the Sunshine Coast with the potential for some pretty high temperatures, especially at night. There's a bit of stubborn cloud hanging around, but little if any rain for the foreseeable future. Temperatures today across the region at Maroochy Airport, the range was 13 to 25 degrees with an afternoon humidity of 83%. Tewantin got to 23. Nambour had a top of 25, which is 4 above average. Now the satellite loop. Still lots of cloud and most of it's still in the north, so nothing has much changed in the last 24 hours. There was quite a bit of cloud late this morning, you might have noticed, just off the coast around Mooloolaba. A lot of it was lifted fog, so it was low cloud, just coming in off the ocean, gradually dispersed as the sun burned it off, but it certainly did keep it a little bit cool for a while, and then suddenly the temperature did shoot up. Now, today's chart, the reason for the fog, same as yesterday, hardly any wind, and you can see that from the flatness of the water. You've got a weak high-pressure system, basically no isobars around this part of the world, and just a sort of a lacklustre breeze. Tomorrow's chart will be the same. This is probably the last of our foggy mornings. We've got a high-pressure ridge sitting pretty much right on top of us. For the same reason, it'll mean sunshine for us. Well, there will be little bits of cloud after the fog burns off. For the outlook chart, now it starts to get really warm, if you didn't think today was warm enough. We've got a northwesterly coming in. Only light at first, probably 10 to 15 knots, eventually getting up to 25 knots so early in the weekend, and that's when our temperatures will push 27, 28 degrees. But until then, of course, no rain. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters, north to northwesterlies around 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. Seas no more than a metre. Then winds, like I said, increasing up to 25 knots on Friday, but settling a touch on Saturday. Up to 1 metre of surf on the open beaches today, dropping to half a metre at Noosa and Mooloolaba, with a few rips about. As always, make sure you swim between the red and yellow flags. Tomorrow's high tides at Noosa Heads around 8:42 a.m, 10:15 at the Cothole at Maroochy River, and about 8:45 for Mooloolaba and Caloundra. The South East Coast District, some early fog in the south tomorrow morning, otherwise a fine, mostly sunny day. Maroochydore 14 to 26 degrees. Nambour also 26, Gympie 12 up to 26. Looking ahead for the Sunshine Coast, temperatures increasing as we head toward the weekend, remaining well and truly above average. Still a bit of cloud around, but no rain expected for as far as we can see. And that's it for tonight. Don't forget, if you have any weather-related photos you'd like me to put on TV or special questions about the weather, just shoot us an email, asklivio@7.com.au. Enjoy what's left of the evening, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Back to you, Rob.
Beauty, Liv. Thanks very much, mate. Nice having a couple of you folks. See you tomorrow night. From the team, take care. Good night.